Good product, awesome sound experience. But this produced seal is already open inside. They work best with a Samsung phone, just need to tweak the equalizer and there you go with the amazing sound along with bass. The ambient sound technology is amazing. You can wear both the earbuds and listen to the external voices loud and clear. You can obviously turn that off if you want to. Value for money. First impressions, 4 stars. Pairing with a Poco F1 and Windows laptop not at the same time, no issues so far. My first true wireless earbuds, loving the inconspicuous look, mine are black, its small size means it's super comfortable to wear for long periods of time. Some of the issues raised be: there is some hissing from time to time. I have the latest updates, which is not so noticeable. Don't expect anything special in the sound quality department, due to its tiny size. Tons of in-ear wires headphones at a quarter of the price do a better job. At first the volume was low despite setting my phone audio to the highest. Turns out the buds themselves have a volume control in the app. After setting that to the highest, I am comfortable using 60 to 80% phone volume. There is lag when viewing videos. However, sometimes the delay can't be noticed, others times it's unacceptable. It would be great if this was waterproof enough to take to the shower, use it in the rain. I am looking forward to improvements in video lag, sound quality through updates in the future. Make sure to try different combination. For me, I use the circular wingtips, there is no wing on them, and medium in one ear and large in the other. Large wingtips may be vital to ensure it stays in your ear when doing activities, otherwise circular ones are more comfortable for my small ears. Must buy it, I will guarantee you will like it. I love this product. Better than Apple AirPods. Value for money. I love the sound quality of this buds. Especially ambient sound mode. The battery life is excellent that it came FR my buds max FR 9 hours, love them. TQ Samsung. I am simply loving them, best earbuds better than AirPods in many ways and amazing sound quality, although don't have solid bass, but that's just perfect for me. Great product with beautifully tuned sound by AKG. Samsung has hit this out of the park. Battery life is about 13 hours, which gets me through a whole day, but could have been a bit more in auto 15 hours. Overall, great product, go for it. In 9,990 rupees, this pair is the true value for money. Using with OnePlus 7, sound is good. Pros, asterisk best design among the true wireless earbuds. Doesn't stick out of the ears. Asterisk compact charging case. Fits easily into your jeans pocket. Asterisk Type-C charging case also supports wireless charging. Future-proof, asterisk. Fits perfectly in the ears. Most of us don't have symmetrical ear canals, so change the ear tips accordingly, asterisk. Ambient sound mode works well. Asterisk 5 hours battery life of the earbuds is among the best. Cons, asterisk the charging case is able to charge the earbuds only once, but then again it's a trade-off for size. Asterisk only IPX2 rated. So not possible to use in the rain. Asterisk no internal storage like the previous Icon X. I don't know about the audio quality on non-Samsung devices, but I am using it with the Galaxy S8 with Dolby Atmos on Music, EQ Jazz, EQ, Galaxy wearable app. dynamic and tweak the audio settings. Battery life might take a slight hit in the developer. Click link in description for more reviews.